Hi, this is Mohammed from RC Corner. Today I will let you dive into the era of intelligence with innovation by introducing the most advanced and flagship drone of all times, the DJI Matrice 4 series, which is suitable for the inspection, public safety, emergency response, and surveying and mapping. The Matrice 4 series comes in two models, the Matrice 4T and the Matrice 4E. So let's see the feature of each model one by one. The Matrice 4T series is equipped with the 6 modules. The wide-angle camera has 48 megapixel sensor with 24 mm of focal length, allows you to reach imagery in a very much sharper and rich detail. In order to do the inspection from a safer distance, it has a medium telephoto and a telephoto sensor of 70 and 168 mm focal length with 48 megapixel, allows you to do the inspection in a very rich detail from a safer distance. In order to take imagery in a dark environment, it has a near auxiliary light which allows you to take images in a very sharper details from 100 meters. Now coming toward the Matrice 4E series, which is most suitable for the surveying and mapping purpose. It has a 20 megapixel of wide-angle camera with mechanical shutter. Same like Matrice 4T, it has a medium telephoto and a telephoto sensor of same specification. And it also supports a laser rangefinder. Also, Matrice 4E series supports 5D oblique capture, which allows you to take imagery for the 3D reconstruction and modeling. And it also supports 3D capture, which allows you to take images from a lateral side, left and right, which enhance the efficiency by reducing the side overlap. Now let's dive into the intelligent feature of Matrice 4 series. Matrice 4 series has the capability of object recognition and object counting integrated with the AI algorithm, which allows you to do the wildlife monitoring in a real time. Also, Matrice 4 series has the integration with DJI Flight Hub tool, from where you can control the aircraft and visualize the live stream. DJI Matrice 4E series support 3D capture mode, which allows you to create and capture rough model on the controller, which gives you a precise route mapping for the 3D capture. Now let's talk about the DJI DRTK3 base station. DJI DRTK3 serves as a base station providing centimeter level accuracy. Also extend the operational efficiency in a relay mode. And the last but not the least, it also works as a rover mode combined with the DJI Enterprise app. Allows you to take the ground control points in a real time, same like DGPS devices. Matrice 4 series is a game changer for the enterprise industries. In the next video, we will see that how does these models work, and we'll show you that how does it enhance the efficiency for the enterprise industries. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.